Hi everyone, my name is Anmol Malvi and currently I am working as a data analyst. So I have started this video series in which I am discussing 100 questions for Microsoft DP-600 and I hope that using these questions you can learn more about Microsoft Fabric and score 900 plus marks. If you want to get access to all the questions, then you can purchase my Udemy course. In this course I have combined all the questions and you can find the discount coupon code in the description. And along with it, after you purchase the course, I will share the notes and additional questions as well as the case studies PDF. So do check it out. Now let's move toward question 10. You have a Fabric workspace named workspace 1 which contain a data flow named dataflow 1. Dataflow 1 has a query that returns 2000 rows. You view the query in Power Query as shown in the following exhibit. So you can see the screenshot attached on the screen. This is the query and the column profile is also visible, and in that you can see that count is 1000, distinct count is 935 and unique count is 871. So if you have gone through the documentation, then you might have known the difference between distinct and unique. So let's move toward the question. What it's asking that what can you identify about the pickup longitude column. So in the screenshot you can see that already the pickup longitude column is selected and the details we are visible is also of that. So let's go through the options. The column has duplicate values, all the tables rows are profiled, the columns have missing value, there are 935 values that occurs only once. So the correct answer for this is option A, because for option B not all the rows are profiled in the sample, only 1000 of 2000 rows are visible. You can see on the question we have total 2000 rows, but on the count we have only 1000 rows is available. Then for option C, from the column stats you don't have any missing values in the sample, so on the null count you can see the value is 0, so this is also eliminated. And for the option D, the value that occur on once are the values which are unique, so the count for it is 871, and the definition for both them are, you can see on the screen. Distinct means that count of all the values as 1 and even if there was more than 1, and unique means count only the values which are not repeated in the particular column. So that's all about question 10. I have also created a PDF for all these questions. So if you want to get this PDF, then you can reach out to me on LinkedIn. I will share the link in the description, or else you can purchase the Udemy course and get this PDF for free. So do let me know in case if you have any doubt. All the best for your exam. Thank you.